Okay, deeds depend on the attention. Can anybody explain? What does it mean deeds is depending on the attention?
Perbuatan.
Alif?
Niat lah.
You
Niat,
want to
niat.
explain? Tak ingat dah.
Niat, niat.
Apa yang kena dengan niat? Deeds is what?
Buat benda niat.
Deed is what? Dah belajar, dah ada kelas BM ke belum sebelum ni? Before this, already have kelas BM? Did Ustaz Amirul tell you what is deed in bahasa Melayu?
Perbuatan.
Tak ada? Sorry?
Perbuatan.
Tak jelas. Siapa tu?
Perbuatan. Perbuatan.
Perbuatan. Oh, okey. Okey, perbuatan kita ataupun dalam bahasa Melayu biasa kita guna amalan lah. Okey, amalan. Okey, amalan kita mesti bermula dengan niat. Okey, setiap perbuatan kita mesti ada niat. Betul? Okey, kita dah fikir awal-awal dah. Oh, okey, nak buat macam ni lah. Kan, betul tak? So, niat lah tu. Okey, so samalah juga dengan nak belajar. If you want to learn, okey, niat tu kena betul. Okey, I came to this class to learn. Okay, niat you nak belajar. So, what is the effect? Apa kesannya? Kalau you dah niat nak belajar, so you must focus in the class. Is it correct? Betul tak? Kalau niat you, tak ada niat lagi dalam hati tu, oh masuk, oh suruh masuk, masuk je lah. That means niat you tak betul, betul tak? Masuk je lah dengar. So, nanti mesti takkan dapat kesan yang baik untuk diri kamu. Okay, so niat kena betul. Okay, you must correct your intention ya. Okay, kena betulkan niat kita nak belajar. Niat betul-betul kita nak belajar so that Allah lapangkan hati kita untuk dapat ilmu. Boleh? Okay, so deeds mean amalan. Amalan bergantung kepada niat. So our intention today adalah to learn lah. Okay, boleh? Alright, so only 14. You punya kelas ada berapa orang ya? How many of you in the class? 20?
Okay.
20? Is it 20? Let me check first your attendance. So should be have 20 student. Okay, so we have another. So now we have 14 saja, including me 15 lah. Okay, hopefully nanti ada ramai lagi masuk. So got 15. Alright, so today's class, patutnya kelas apa hari ni? Who knows? 3:30, what class?
Adab.
Okay, Adab and Islah. So, you already learn Adab and Islah from primary 1, correct? Until you already primary 5. So, what do you understand with the class of Adab and Islah? Apa yang kamu faham dengan kelas Adab dan Islah? Apa yang you already learn dekat kelas Adab dan Islah? Can you share with me? Anybody want to share? Apa yang kamu belajar dalam kelas Adab dan Islah sebelum-sebelum ni? Yang you still remember? So if you want to nak explain to me, you can raise your hand so that I boleh ask you to unmute lah you punya mic. Anybody want to share what you already learn in Adab and Islah class? Last year, what you learn? When you primary 4, primary 3. Apa topik yang awak masih ingat? You belajar dalam Adab Islah. Anybody?
Climate change.
Sorry, Raihan?
Climate change.
Climate change. Okay, right. Betul. Lagi? Syahir maybe? What you have learned, Syahir? Syahir?
Dah aku nak.
Sorry, doa?
Tak ingat. Dah aku nak.
Ingat pula. Can anybody help? Khalif maybe? What you have learned, Khalif, before this? Climate change, correct? Ada dah you belajar. Lagi? Some more? Can you see me? Ada kat saya tersangkut-sangkut ke?
Doa iftitah.
Doa iftitah, okay. You learn about practical wudu and solat, is it? Betul tak? Okay, that one. Okay, lagi. Hadis, Debbie. Okay. Hadis lagi.
Doa kunut.
Doa kunut. Okay, you learn about doa kunut. That one is adab lah kan, betul tak? About Islah, Raihan dah bagi tahu tadi. It's about climate change. Lagi sama? Tak ingat dah? Because sekejap je tahun lepas, is it? Sekejap je kelas adab Islah kan? Okay, sebab kita dah start PKP. Maybe because of that lah kan?
Coronavirus.
Sorry, not clear.
About coronavirus.
Oh, okay. Alright. So, what you have saying is just now, betul lah, tak salah, is correct. Okay. Okay, it's correct because it's correct, tak ada masalah. Alright, so basically, what you have learned for adab and Islam, what you have just tell me just now, practical wuduk lah, apa lagi? Doa kunut lah. That one is about the adab lah kan, betul tak? Adab you learn solat, adab baca Quran, that one is adab, okay? What is Islah? Islah yang sama macam Raihan cerita tadi, okay? The climate change, what is the effect, all those things lah, okay? So it same, okay, for this year. Okay, this year also ada adab and Islah. Maybe it's more to Islah. Banyak kepada Islah. So what is Islah sebenarnya? Did you know what is Islah actually? Tahu tak Islah tu macam mana? Anybody? Tak tahu? Kamu ni join je lah kelas. Okay, Islah ni begini ya. Okay, Islah usually is a combination you learn about history. Tahu history? In bahasa Melayu? You know history? Sejarah. Okay, you learn you learn about history. Tak kisahlah history about Malaysia ke, history ancient history ke. Okay, any history around the world you will learn. Okay, and then a little bit of geography. What is geography? Time awak tak belajar sebenarnya geography. Do you know what is geography? Anybody want to explain about geography? Adriana maybe? Did you know Adriana geography? Al-Huda maybe? Al-Huda tahu tak? What is geography? Example of geography. Tak ada yang tahu? Nobody? Okay, geography usually adalah dia cerita mengenai kawasan, satu-satu kawasan. Okay, satu tempat. Okay, satu negeri. Okay, cerita mengenai keadaan dekat negeri tu. Okay, that one we call as geography. So Islam basically dia is a combination of the history, the geography a little bit, Islamic a little bit. Okay, ada juga. Okay, so itu yang kita akan belajar for this year. Okay, so for today, I only explain about, we only discuss about the introduction saja. I want to discuss with you what we're gonna learn, what is the topic that we're gonna learn for this whole year. Okay, sepanjang tahun ni apa yang kita akan belajar. Alright, and I will ask a little bit question lah, so we will discuss sikit-sikit for your nak tahu je sama ada you know or not. Okay, you got the idea or not. Okay, so we discuss, teacher nak kita kena ada nama pun discussion, so you can give me your opinion. You can give me explanation that you know. Okay, because kita kat depan laptop kan. So, ada yang guna handphone ke? Tak ada. Kalau ada yang guna handphone pun it's not a problem, because kalau teacher suruh cari maklumat, if I ask you to find information about something, you can just Google, betul tak? Okay, bukalah new tab, you Google lah, cari. Boleh? Okay, jangan Google benda lain pula. Teacher ask you to Google about that things, you pun Google lah. Okay, so let's see. Are you ready to know what is the topic that we will cover for this whole year? Alright, so you can take note. Kamu boleh note, okay, dalam you punya buku kertas ke apa. We have Adab and Islah book, right? Betul tak? You can take note ni dalam Adab and Islah book. Okay? Belum dapat buku. How many of you yang tak ambil buku lagi? Khalif seorang, baru Khalif lagi? Khalif sahaja? Afla Batrisha, assistant. Please turn on your camera ya. Siapa yang tak ada kamera ni, teacher tak kira dia punya attendance. You must know, right? Okay. And please use your name. Ni, Mi ni siapa ni? I tak tick dengan attendance you nanti. Kalau ada tulis Mi ni. I don't know. Okay. Ni Muhammad Har apa ni? Please make sure your name. And if you have a problem with the camera, please let me know. If not, I will consider you not attend the class. Okay, you know right, the zooming class right, zooming rules, is it? So please be careful. Sayanglah you datang kelas bukan tak datang kelas. Okay. Tapi because you tak nak dengar cakap teacher, you tak nak dengar arahan teacher, baik guna. Okay, me, tolong change your name. I would like to know who are you. Okay, kita open camera semua. Okay. So, you ready? Okay, kalau siapa yang tak ada buku lagi, it's okay. Just jot down je lah dekat mana-mana kertas yang you ada. Okay, just
Cik, buku nombor berapa?
You ada list tak? Tak sure lah. Buku garis 1 tak silap saya. Yang ada satu line tu. Nombor berapa 8 eh? Nombor berapa tu Syahir? What number is that?
8.
Can you open it? Teacher tengok sikit, tunjuk dekat kamera. Betul. Betul, correct. Tapi dia, page dia macam mana tu? Cuba tengok, page depan. Depan dia. Front page, let me see.
Dia untuk jauhi macam tu.
Oh, ini buka daripada belah kiri, belah kanan kan? It's open from the right right? Bukan, itu bukan ada Islah book. Ada Islah book bukan daripada
Nombor 1.
buku apa? 1. Dia mesti daripada belah kiri. You open it from the left side. That one is Adab and Islah book. If you have list, dekat list buku yang awak dapat tu ada tulis Adab and Islah which number. Do you have list? Like confirm together. Takut nanti tersalah guna buku, kesian you punya teacher.
Tadi dah tengok dah. Tadi dah tengok dah.
Oh, awak dah tengok dah.
Dia semua 8.
Semua 8?
1.
So Adab Islah buku 1 Buku 1. Alright. So everybody open buku 1 lah. Okay. So guna buku 1. Yang lain tu jangan guna because nanti kita terguna buku teacher lain pula. So it become problem pula nanti. Ya. Yeah.
Saya ada buku 3 dan 8 je.
Okay, that means you tak dapat buku 1 lagi. Nanti you double confirm with your class teacher whether buku 1 dah sampai ke belum. Maybe that time you tak ada lagi lah kot stoknya. Hanya you punya teacher kalau ada boleh collect dekat school office lah. Faham? Siapa yang tak ada just jot down saja dekat mana-mana kertas yang you ada and please keep it lah. Okay, nanti boleh tulis kalau you dah dapat you punya buku tulis semua. Boleh? Okay, so let's proceed. Are you ready? Okay, Ulfa. Ulfa, why don't you wear you punya tudung lah? Kenapa tak nak pakai tudung pula? Okay. Alright, so let's start what we gonna learn for this year. InsyaAllah lah, okay? InsyaAllah, we try to cover everything, okay? InsyaAllah. Okay, so this is the first that you will cover for this year. The theme, ini theme ya. Ini kita panggil tema dia. What a wonderful world. This is a theme ya. So you can write this one. Number 1 is theme ya. Theme. The theme is what a wonderful world. Wah, betapa cantiknya dunia ini. Okay. So basically what
Buku berapa?
buku berapa? Buku berapa kelas?
Buku
berapa?
1.
1. Use book number 1. Oh, ada
Depan tu pun ada nombor 1.
Macam mana je team tadi je?
Theme. You got it? Okay, the first theme is what a wonderful world. Sama lah macam last year. Last year you learn yang Raihan cakap climate change tu kan? Climate change is a theme actually. Okay, tema besar dia. Okay, apa yang you belajar, this is a small topic lah yang you will learn. Okay, but not all. Ini teacher just list a little bit saja so that you tahulah apa kaitan a wonderful world dengan kita punya pembelajaran. Okay, so the first one yang you akan belajar is the beginning of a living things. Permulaan sesuatu kehidupan. Macam mana kehidupan sesuatu tu boleh bermula. So kita akan learn dekat sini. Okay, I think you already learn this in your science class. I'm not sure. Primary 4 you ada learn tak? Tak ada lagi? About cell? Tak ada Macam mana? Tak ada Okay, it's okay.
Ada.
Kalau tak ada, it's okay. Kita akan learn a little bit. Okay. Because Islah dia ada masuk sedikit-sedikit subjek lain. Sains pun ada masuk. BM of course lah because it's language kan. English. Okay. So you akan belajar the beginning of living things. Macam mana bermula jadinya. Okay. Suatu benda. Living things are not suatu benda. The kehidupan. Benda yang hidup. Okay. So this is a small topic juga under beginning of living thing. The formation of human, animals, plant. Okay. Macam mana terjadinya human, manusia, animals, haiwan and also plants. Okay, macam mana terjadinya ini? Okay, so the second one ni basically it's related to science a little bit, betul tak? Kan? You learn kan about plants kan? Macam mana plants boleh hidup, betul tak? Betul tak? Dia kena guna apa baru hidup? What is the basic need of plants to grow lah, untuk hidup. Tak ada buku, just jot down dekat mana-mana paper yang you ada. But make sure keep it lah. Okay, once you dapat books, you can copy or paste it in your Adab and Islah book. Boleh Hufa? Hufa, can you get it? Okay, so and kita juga akan belajar, the first thing adalah the timeline of living things in million years. Timeline, tahu apa itu timeline? Anybody knows what is timeline? Ada? Tak ada yang tahu? Time? Time tu apa?
Masa.
Masa. Line?
Line, garis.
Garis. Okay, timeline means garis masa. Maksud garis masa adalah setiap tahun tu, okay, tahun ni apa yang jadi, tahun ni macam mana, tahun ni macam ni. Okay, so timeline itu kita panggil. Okay, garis masa of living things in million years. Maybe lah 1 million years ago, what is a living thing yang hidup? Right? Oh, exactly, dinosaur. Before dinosaur, ada tak living thing dekat Malaysia pula dah? Dekat dunia ni. We gonna discover. Okay, kita akan tengok ada ke tak. Okay, but jangan risaulah, tak adalah teacher ajar yang dahsyat-dahsyat tu. Okay, kita belajar yang sikit-sikit je, basic sahaja. Boleh? Okay, so kita akan ada timeline lah. This is only a small topic lah. Not only this, ada banyak lagi yang lain yang akan kita belajar. So do you clear this one? What is a wonderful world? Understand?
Yes,
Okay,
understand.
good. Okay, you already copy? Done?
Yes.
Done.
Okay. Mikael, Amsha? You already done copy? Done. Okay. So I give you 1 more minute to copy this, then I will proceed to the next team. Next topic jugalah. Okay, so everybody done? Tadi yang cakap belum tu dah ke belum?
Belum mula nak cari kertas.
Baru nak cari kertas? Where is the class monitor? Already come or not? Class already enter the class or not? Siapa tadi you cakap? Class monitor?
Syah.
Shah, Irfan Shah.
Kelas sebelum ni Irfan Shah ada tak?
Ada?
Okay, maybe dia tengah makan.
Tadi dah makan?
Oh, kan? We don't know, maybe he got some problem. Okay, if you got problem, actually you need to tell me, ya. Tell the teacher. Teacher, saya tak boleh masuk. Okay, kucing saya jatuh tadi. Example. Boleh? Lagi. That one become the reason. Kucing jatuh longkang, teacher. They cannot come to the class. Okay, done? Okay, let's proceed to the second one.
Belum teacher.
Belum.
Jom.
Who is that? Siapa yang belum tu cakap tu? Hadif ke? No. Siapa yang cakap dengan teacher tadi tu ya?
Ulfah.
Oh, Ulfa. Okay, 15 second. Alright. Okay, tak apa Ulfa, nanti saya akan ulang semula. I will repeat again the first slide. Okay, so let's continue sebab dah ramai dah yang siap kan. Okay, let's continue for the second theme or topic lah. Okay, so the second topic that second theme that you will learn is about Malay civilization. Okay, you akan belajar mengenai tamadun orang Melayu. Awak orang Melayu kan? Awak kena tahu tamadun Melayu itu macam mana. Okay, who knows what is tamadun?
Kehidupan.
Kehidupan. Okay, macam mana orang dahulu kala. Okay, tamadun ni zaman dulu, tengok gambar teacher letak ni. Okay, maybe it's one of the kawasan orang Malaysia, tanah Melayu dulu. Okay, kita panggil dulu Malaysia sebagai tanah Melayu kan. So we want to know peradaban, macam mana orang dahulu, cara dia bekerja, cara dia bergaul. Okay, so kita akan belajar mengenai civilization ni, and this is the four civilization yang ada dekat tanah Melayu, dekat Malay lah. Okay, dekat kawasan Malay. Okay, so the first place, okay, ataupun tempat civilization that we gonna learn is about Chihtu Empire. Okay, Chihtu is a nama, the name of the empire. So insyaAllah juga we will gonna learn about Beruas Lama. Okay,
What is
Beruas
that?
Lama. Sorry?
What is that?
What is that? Is a name of the Malay civilization. Satu kawasan orang Malay dulu, nama dia sebagai Beruas Lama. Okay, tahu tak? Malaysia macam dulu, Malaysia sebelum bergabung, okay, dia ada sultan masing-masing, betul tak? Faham? Ada sultan dia, Selangor ada dia own, dia punya kingdom kan, before dia combine. Okay, so kita panggil, mereka ada negara mereka sendiri and also dia punya king lah. So it seem like Malay civilization, Chihtu got their own king. Beruas Lama pun ada dia punya king dia sendiri. So dia tak cantum lagi jadi tanah Melayu. Ni lain-lain. Ni zaman dulu lagi lama ni. Okay, so kita akan gonna learn lah. Temasek, dulu nama Temasek, nowadays we call as Singapore. Singapore dulu kita panggil Temasek. Sekarang kita dah panggil Singapore, and it's more dah tak ada dekat Malaysia lah. Last time dia dalam Malaysia. You know or not? Singapore dulu.
Yes.
Singapura dulu berada di dalam tanah Melayu. Then diorang tak nak duduk di tanah Melayu, diorang nak jadi negara lain. So macam itulah. And the last is a Gangga Negara. Okay, it's a name nama juga. Okay. Alright. So ini 4 lah yang kita akan fokuskan. Okay, maybe I can give you some tasks. Example tadi, you find Chihtu Empire, then you need to explain to me. Example. Okay, ataupun kita
Gangga Negara tu apa?
Gangga Negara ni apa? Nama lah, sama macam Chihtu Empire, nama dia, nama kawasan dia. Nama tamadun dia. Okay, kalau ancient, saya tak ingat lah, maybe you ada belajar dulu-dulu. Kalau ancient civilization, kita ada Mesopotamia, Egypt. Nak dengar tak? Egypt tahu Egypt? Mesir. Tamadun Mesir yang ada Firaun tu kan? Yang itu Egypt lah. Apa lagi? Ancient civilization. China pun ada. Dulu-dulu kala punya civilization. Siapa yang jadi dia punya king. Tapi kita tak belajar because yang tu when you primary 6 baru you belajar. InsyaAllah lah. Okay? Alright, so are you done with this topic? Any question before we proceed?
No.
Adriana, you want to ask question? Tak ada, okay? Alright. Anybody? Okay, done? Are you done? Copy this. Kelas monitor tak on camera pun, kelas monitor. Kelas monitor kena on camera. Please on your camera ya. Okay, done? Are you done? Can we proceed to the next topic? Next.
Boleh.
Boleh
Dah.
Dah. Okay. Ulfa, yes? Any question want to ask Ulfa?
Tak.
Tak ada, okay. If you don't understand, don't worry. Nanti kita akan go to this topic ya. Jangan pening-pening kepala. It's okay. Okay, kita nak bagi tahu saja what topic we gonna learn, okay? Okay, so let's proceed to the third one. So this is the theme or this is a topic what you gonna learn, which is exploration on discoveries in the sea. Kita nak explore tadi dekat darat. Now kita nak explore dalam sea pula, underwater. Kita nak pergi, tengok ni gambar teacher bagi ni okay. Dekat laut ada apa dekat laut? Siapa tahu? Selain pada fish lah. Yang cakap dengan teacher ada fish.
Sotong.
Ada sotong?
Hidupan laut.
Kehidupan laut.
Kehidupan
That one
laut.
is a common one, of course. Of course kena ada. Okay, dalam laut mesti ada kehidupan laut. Yang lain sikit.
Teacher Loch Ness.
Dalam
Dia?
laut ada air.
Of course
Teacher,
ada
Loch
dalam
Ness.
air. Tak ada api pula.
Teacher Loch Ness.
Sorry? Again?
Loch Ness.
Loch Ness?
Seaweed.
Yang monster legenda tu.
Baca dah.
That one is not legend It's a legend. We doesn't confirm yet. Okay? Even scientist pun tak jumpa.
Teacher seaweed.
Got seaweed. That one is hidupan laut lah tu. Okay? Lain, selain pada tu. Ini dia teacher nak bagi tahu. We got natural resources on earth. Dalam laut, perasan tak? Dekat laut ada pelantar minyak. What they want to do? Kenapa they put the pelantar minyak dekat situ? What they want to
Minyak lah.
discover?
Sebab dia nak ambil
Hmm.
minyak daripada haiwan yang mati.
Very good. Actually dekat seas lah tempat yang boleh dikatakan kawasan dia lah Banyak sekali tempat adanya minyak. Minyak apa? Minyak masak? Minyak gamat?
Tak.
What kinds of oil? Sudah. Tahu minyak apa? Tak
Minyak
ada, tak tahu. Kita panggil sebagai petroleum. Have you heard about
petroleum.
petroleum?
Petroleum.
Yeah, okay. We can discover a petroleum in the sea. Mereka dig inside the bawah lagi dalam sea to get the raw oil untuk dapatkan minyak mentah, then baru they process to become our petrol yang isi dalam kereta tu. Dan banyak-banyak lagi lah. Okay, so we will discover about the natural resources. Apa lagi yang ada natural resources under the seas. So what you gonna learn about the origin of the sources, mana asalnya. Kalau petroleum tu asalnya dekat mana dapatnya. So we gonna learn that one. Machine used to discover the sources. Okay, nak dapat petroleum, what kind of machine that they use? Agak-agak dia guna apa? Entahlah. Nanti kita belajar Okay. You also can, why don't you Google it now? What is the machine used to discover the petroleum? Then you can share with me. Okay. So anybody? You can share at the chat or you can tell me. What is a machine used to discover the petroleum? Apa mesin yang digunakan untuk cari petroleum?
Apa
Can you?
nama mesin?
Apa nama dia agak-agaknya? Anybody? Can tell me? Ada orang yang Google ke tu? Nobody find it? You can share with us. Tell your friend. Sebab kawan awak mungkin tak tahu. Ada yang Google tak? Tak ada? Nobody. Malas nak cari. Ke Khalif tengah cari?
Saya tengah tulis.
Tulis. Okay, tak apalah. Okay, tak cari mesin pun tak apalah, tak ada masalah. Okay, because kita akan masuk this topic where you need to do the task lah nanti. Depth finder ke? Kaiser, can you share the picture? Can we share the picture dekat dalam chat? Or link ke? Kita gambar tab finder. Gravimeter microlog. Okay. Okay. Ni your friend already share. Okay, nanti kita boleh carilah gravimeter tu macam mana. Okay. Nanti kita kongsilah sama-sama Okay, good job Syahir. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So are you done? Copy? This one? Can we proceed? Ke ada yang belum salin lagi? Aishamtul, are you done? Okay, Ulfa, are you done? Teacher, ayah saya kerja. Okay, so why Raihan? Is that you got a problem? Okay, everybody can read the information that has been shared by Ulfa. Okay. Tengok Ulfa ada kongsi. Other instruments such as gravimeter also use search of petroleum. Exactly, crude oil normally start with drilling well underground. When the oil has been tapped, the geologists will know its present. Okay. So dia akan guna instrumen gravimeter, magnetometer untuk cari petroleum. Dia akan extract, asingkan crude oil. Crude oil tu lebih kurang macam raw oil lah juga. Okay. So dia akan start drill well. Dia akan drill masuk ke dalam. Kalau anda kata dia terasa ada oil, then geologists know inside that got oil. Then baru they proceed with another machine lah. Oh, ayah you kerja drilling untuk petrol. Wah, nice. Nanti during this topic, maybe you yang ada father yang kerja macam tu boleh share dengan us. Betul tak Raihan? Boleh tak nanti share? Dia bertanya ayah, ayah buat macam mana ni? Kenapa? Okay? Then you can share with us. So interesting. Ada ayah-ayah, ada parents dia yang kerja bahagian oil and gas lagi selain daripada Raihan? Kerja kat Petronas ke? Sapura Kencana. Sapura Kencana ke nama dia? Sapura. Tak ada? Okay, tak apa. Alright, so are you done with this one? Done? Can we proceed?
Boleh.
Boleh. Seorang je yang cakap boleh. I would like to know who is me. Do you know who is me?
Rashad.
Rashad. Why you didn't change your name, Rashad? You didn't turn on your camera. What are you doing? Please tell me, is your camera having problem? Okay, jangan buat macam tu kalau teacher tick. Tak datang Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, next is shaping up health and fitness. This is a common lah, benda yang you akan belajar. What is shaping up? Adriana, can you tell me dalam bahasa Melayu apa tu shaping up health? Adriana. Dalam bahasa Melayu apa Adriana? Shaping up health tu apa?
Teacher dan
Fitness tu apa? Anybody, can you tell me the meaning? Aflah maybe. Aflah also good in English, right? Aflah, can you tell me? Are you there, Aflah? Of course you there. Membentuk kesihatan dan kecergasan. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Aflah, what does that mean by shaping up health? Dalam bahasa Melayu, masuk shaping up health ni. What do you understand with this word? Sorry, apa dia?
Shaping up tu saya tak tahu.
Okay. Health is what? Health?
Sihat.
Kesihatan. Fitness?
Macam apa ya? Macam nak kasih macam untuk kurus.
Untuk kurus, untuk cergas Okay. Untuk kurus saja. Okay, so betul lah Kaiser ada share. Kaiser share dengan teacher je ke? You can share with your friend Kaiser. Share with everyone so that everyone can read. Okay? Ni Kaiser chat privately. Okay, semua orang tengok chat Kaiser. Okay? So membentuk kesihatan dan kecergasan badan. So macam mana nak bentuk kesihatan? Can you tell me how to shaping up health? Give me example.
Selalu bersenam.
Bersenam. Other than bersenam?
Jogging.
Jogging tu bukan bersenam ke? ke lain? Jogging and bersenam is same or not? Or different? Same saja. Lagi? Other than that? Selain pada bersenam, nak shaping up macam mana? How to test your fitness? How to know that you are fit?
Makan makanan sihat.
Okay, good. Makan makanan sihat also. How to shaping up health? Okay.
Puasa.
My question is, how to know that you are fit? Okay, example, when you run. How we want to
Timbang.
know someone is fit? Dengan larian.
Timbang.
Sorry? Tak dengar?
Semasa berlari.
Okay, masa berlari lah ni. Lari. Macam mana awak nak tahu orang tu fit? Orang tu betul-betul cergas.
Entahlah.
Cergas atau tak cergas?
Tengok kaki dia.
Tengok macam mana Hadi?
Tengok dia lari laju.
Tengok dia lari laju ke tidak? Oh, kalau laju tu fit lah maksudnya. Oh, macam tu Okay. Maybe. Okay. Biasanya kalau masa berlari tu kan, what you can see kalau tengok orang berlari, lepas dia habis berlari, macam mana?
Berpeluh.
Okay, berpeluh is another kinds to, bukan nak tengok dia fitness, fit atau tidak. Okay, berpeluh tu biasalah of course untuk buang toksin badan kan, toksin yang ada dalam badan. Kalau kita nak tengok orang fit, kita tengok kalau berlari-lari kan, masa dah berhenti tu kan, orang yang tak fit dia macam mana? Terus minum air. Ya. Macam mana kalau orang yang tak fit? Kalau you lepas lari, you akan jadi macam mana? Who can tell me?
Penat.
Penat. Kan you akan tercungap-cungap, betul tak? Betul tak? Okay, kalau orang fit, dia tercungap, dia bukannya tercungap macam tu tau, macam sesak nafas. Orang fit dia relax saja, cool. Okay, orang yang tak fit dia macam air, where is water? Okay, itu biasa kita boleh nampak lah. Okay, itu pandangan mata kita. Okay, alright, so this is how you want to know lah fit atau tidak. Dia biasanya bila dia buat sesuatu kerja tu, dia tak cepat penat. Okay, so usually that kinds of people tu jenis fit lah. Okay, so shaping up health, betul lah tu, bersenam. Ni teacher dah bagi gambar dah. You do exercise a lot. Okay, insyaAllah lah boleh jaga kesihatan kamu. Okay, alright. Okay, you already copy? Done?
Dan
Are you done?
dah.
Okay, dah. So let's proceed to the, this is a fourth one, betul tak? Yang keempat ke teacher bagi ni? Ke ketiga? Fourth, right? Keempat. So let's proceed to the next topic. Okay. This is a theme, cave to skyscraper. Okay, ni skyscraper ni kita panggil gambar ni. Skyscraper tu apa? Cakar langit kan? Okay. So you will learn about types of prehistoric and modern houses. Okay, kita akan pergi ke zaman dahulu prasejarah. You gonna learn about types of houses, tapi orang prehistoric punya dulu. Okay, ancient time lah, rumah mereka macam mana, buildings mereka macam mana. Okay, kalau at the Egypt, house dia macam mana. Okay, apa yang dia guna? Dia guna kayu ke buat rumah? Ke guna batu ke? Did you know? Orang dulu. Kalau kat Egypt dia guna apa? Okay, so that one. And you also the modern house lah. Sekarang kita ada modern house. What kinds of types of houses yang kita ada. Okay, zaman sekarang. And we will also learn about the evolution houses in prehistoric and present houses. Okay, kita akan tengok evolusi. Macam mana perubahan rumah dari zaman dulu, ancient time, sampailah sekarang. Dulu ada bumbung tak? Last time? Tak ada. Sekarang ada. Contoh kan? So kita akan tengok lah semua tu macam mana. We gonna learn lah a few about that. Okay. Anybody knows kalau zaman dulu, tadi teacher ada tanya, okay, zaman dulu rumah mereka macam mana? Mereka guna apa untuk dirikan rumah mereka? Anybody knows?
Kayu.
Sorry, guna apa Adif?
Kayu.
Mereka guna kayu. Oh, prehistoric. Kalau andai kata zaman-zaman selain daripada guna kayu, lagi dulu lagi.
Batu.
Guna batu. Are they build the houses or they stay in somewhere to find shelter?
Dia duduk dalam gua, teacher.
Ada juga. Exactly. Ada yang duduk dalam gua. They don't know how to build maybe. Okay, so they stay dekat dalam gua. Okay, sebab ada je kan. Kita ada jumpa. Who knows about gua Nia? Everybody heard about gua Nia?
Tak.
Tak ada siapa tahu Gua Nia? You can find it now. What is Gua Nia? It's very famous actually.
Dia tu apa, teacher?
You cari. Cuba you cari. Then share with teacher.
Cari.
Mana Gua Nia? Where is the place? Dia dekat Malaysia actually. But which state? Negeri mana ada Gua Nia? Can anybody share?
Sarawak.
Negeri apa ada bunyi kan?
Gua Nia. Gua, G-U-A, Gua. Cave. Nia, N-I-A-H. Nia.
Teacher Sarawak.
Yes, thank you. Gua Nia ada dekat Sarawak. Okay. Mereka jumpa apa dekat Gua Nia? Maybe ada history. Any explanation little bit about Gua Nia that you find? Apa yang ada dekat Gua Nia? Ni ada siapa kongsi? Nia National Park Sarawak. Yes, correct. Orang dulu-dulu ada duduk dekat Gua Nia. Okay, so they discover there. Okay. Orang-orang dulu pergi tengok, okay, dekat kawasan tu. So they found what? Sampai mereka kata dekat situ ada orang duduk. Mereka jumpa apa agaknya?
Tengkorak lah, kalau dia orang duduk mesti ada jumpa tengkorak.
Dia jumpa orang kat situ.
Tengkorak.
Oh, tengkorak. Dia jumpa orang, takut dia. Ada ghost kat situ pula kan. Okay. Okay, they found the skeleton. Mereka jumpa skeleton. Mereka jumpa tengkorak orang dulu. Boleh kaji lah. Oh, rupa-rupanya. Apa dia? Macam mana? Sorry, dia tak dengar. Siapa cakap tadi? Tak ada? Tadi yang cakap Okay, so they found the skeleton. So they know lah sebenarnya dekat Gua Nia tu ada penempatan. Someone stay dekat situ. Siapa? Orang dulu kala lah. Okay, prehistory. Okay, Gua Nia besar ya. Ramai lah agaknya duduk dekat situ. We don't know. Okay, so we gonna learn that one Okay, nanti you boleh carilah cerita sikit macam mana. Because dia different orang dulu. Dia tanam orang dekat kubur macam mana. You know? Dia bukan macam kita tau, lurus je kaki. Ada yang besi.
Teacher, saya pernah jumpa kubur batu, teacher.
Kubur batu?
Dekat Museum Perak saya jumpa.
Oh, memang dia tutup dengan batu ke? Macam tu?
Teacher, tapi saya tak nampak pula mayat dia.
Memanglah. Kalau nampak terkejut pula awak. Saya terkejut.
Saya tengok lubang-lubang.
Nanti dia keluarkan kejar, tak pasal-pasal pula kita. Kan? Okay. Alright, so this is the one lah. So we gonna learn lah, okay, macam mana house zaman dulu duduk dekat gua. Lepas tu mereka guna kayu. Example lah, this one is not a true Nanti kita akan fokus more lah. Okay, pada gua, lepas tu ada kayu, lepas tu tanah liat, maybe lah. Then sampailah sekarang guna buildings yang ada macam-macam. Okay, so this is the fifth one. Okay, so this is the last one. Let's see. Okay, the last topic. Okay. This is the last topic, the news broadcasting. Okay, kita nak tengok sikit how you broadcast. Okay, we gonna learn about media communication. Macam mana media komunikasi melalui media. What is media? Who knows? What is media? Apa media yang ada sekarang?
Media sosial.
Media sosial. Okay, ni sekarang media komunikasi, bukan media sosial. Media sosial, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Awak lah. Kan? Media komunikasi. Macam mana dia nak komunikasi dengan kita? Macam mana seseorang tu nak memberitahu kejadian pada hari itu? Guna apa?
Surat.
Surat?
Berita.
Yes. So, it's through the news. News ada dekat mana?
TV.
Kat TV. So, media communication yang kita ada adalah television. Other than television, ada satu lagi. Media communication. Ada satu.
Radio.
TV3 is an example lah for TV. Satu lagi radio. Radio juga menyampaikan maklumat. Last time masa zaman Jepun dulu. Mereka tak ada TV. So what they use to explain, to sampaikan maklumat?
Diorang pakai radio.
Yes,
Radio.
Rashad. Mereka guna radio untuk tahu Jepun dah sampai ke belum dekat tanah Melayu ni. Okay.
Lepas tu kalau orang tak ada radio, diorang jerit kuat-kuat.
Kalau orang tak ada radio, mungkin ada orang lain yang ada radio, dia akan sampaikan. Sebab tu masa zaman Jepun dulu, siapa yang Jepun tahu, if the Japan knows, okay, have a radio, maybe orang tu akan dibunuh. Terus kena bunuh. Okay, disebabkan maklumat tu sampai melalui radio. So that's why orang dulu-dulu kan suruh dalam tanah lah, masuk dalam ni lah. Okay, they will simpan lah betul-betul. Dia takkan
Asyara.
okay. Tu asyara apa pula tu? Okay, so nanti kita ada interviewing process. You also learn how to interview someone. Awak bayangkan you jadi reporter. Okay, so you will interview your friend. Okay, example Aflah will become dai perempuan punya. Okay, jadi Muslimah punya penyampai berita, example. So you want to interview. So how you want to interview? So we gonna learn about the process lah, how. Okay, and then we have a radio rap. Okay, radio rap maksudnya macam mana radio jalankan, macam mana keadaan berada di kawasan radio. Okay, not only you learn about TV, radio juga kita akan belajar, insyaAllah lah. Okay, and many more, dan banyak lagi. Okay, we gonna learn. Alright. Okay, so are you done? Copy this one? Done? Okay.
Dan
Good, very good. Okay, so dah write, don't forget write day and date for today ya. Jangan lupa pula hari ni kita punya day. So today is Tuesday, the date is 26 January. Okay, 21st pula. 26. Okay. Okay, so jangan lupa. Okay. So what is the topic? Is a topic covered for whole year. Topik yang akan di-cover sepanjang tahun. Alright. So ada lagi? Let's see. Ada? No more. Okay, tak ada. Jadi kita ada 6 topik to be covered this year. Okay, so ada tak yang rasa macam excitednya nak belajar adab Islah ni? Okay. Any topic that you think you are very excited to learn? Girls ni tak ada sangat teacher dengar suaranya. Laila, any topics that you feel excited to learn?
yes.
Which topic?
What a wonderful world.
Oh, this one, you want to learn about the living things. Yeah. Okay, good. Adriana, any topic that you think you feel excited to learn? Any? Maybe this one? This one? Adriana, ada tak topik yang awak rasa excited nak belajar? So we got Malay civilization, exploration. Boys, how about boys? Boys ni ramai ni. Betul. Amsha, Mikaela Amsha, any topic yang you rasa nak teringin sangat nak belajar? Excited nak belajar, which topic?
Malay civilization.
Oh, Malay civilization. Okay, okay. Teacher also feel excited for this one. And also this one. I want to know. Okay. About how to get petroleum. This one also excited kan? Cave to skyscraper. Okay. Alright. So Okay, thank you. So jadi inilah the 6 themes or topic that we going to learn. Okay, insyaAllah kita akan cuba sehabis baik. And actually there's lots of activities yang kita akan buat based on this one menarik. Okay, jadi hopefully sangat hopefully kita ada physical class. Okay, hopefully kita ada physical class, boleh datang sekolah because kita boleh buat project. Okay, hopefully tak ada dah COVID, so that kita boleh datang sekolah, betul tak? Don't you feel happy stay dekat rumah? You feel happy ke tidak duduk dekat rumah? Ke nak pergi sekolah? Tak gembira? Syatul?
Nak pergi sekolah.
Kan, betul tak? So kita boleh jadi macam dulu, betul tak? Okay, so doa banyak-banyak so that COVID tak ada ya. I want to go hotel, to go tunnel from KLCC to Maldives. It was too tired. Oh really? Oh ada ni ya? Saya tak tahu pun Laila. Wow. Menarik. Oh, maybe you can share with everybody. How is it? Why? It's so long ke? Panjang sangat ke sampai you tired? Why you so tired? It's so long. Mesti orang tak tahu. Laila, nobody knows. Only 2 of us only know about this. Okay, Laila say he go to the hotel. Bawah dia ada tunnel lah. Okay. So it's so long. Nanti she's so tired nak berjalan. Dia kata macam tu. Alright. Okay, nanti boleh dengar cerita Laila. Okay, so this is I think that's all lah untuk yang ini. Alright. Okay. Alright, now, okay, because we got 7 minutes lagi. So I want to check your attendance first before I proceed to the next one. Boleh? Okay, so when I call your name, please say yes. Boleh? Siapa yang tak cakap yes, I consider tak datang lah. Okay, and make sure you turn on your camera. Boleh? Okay, say yes ya. Okay, Afla Batrisha. There is no Afla Batrisha? Afla tak ada ya?
Ya, teacher.
Say yes because I want to take your attendance. Okay, Aisyatu Yumna.
Oh, attendance ke?
Teacher nak check attendance. Aisyatu Yumna, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, good. Say yes ya. Arfan. There is no Arfan? Okay, Hadif Zakwan. Hadif tak ada ya? Hadif ada ke tak tu? No Hadif. Okay. Laila Zafira.
Yes.
Khalif Zulfaqar.
Yes.
Okay, good. Mikael Amsyah.
Yes.
Good. Irfan Shah. Irfan Shah.
Yes.
Ada Irfan Shah punya. Muaz Arif. Can anybody tell me? Ada jumpa Muaz Arif tak tadi? Ada tak dia masuk? Tak ada kan?
Tak ada, tak jumpa.
Tak nampak tadi kan? Okay, so Muaz Arif tak ada. Amsyah Mifzal. Amsyah Mifzal, are you there? Muhammad Amsyah Mifzal. Ada ke dengar suara? Amsyah Mifzal? Tak ada Ada siapa-siapa jumpa tadi ke? Dia ada masuk ke? Ni ada? Oh, tak dengar suara you. Okay, Amsyah Mifzal ada. Nasib baik kita tengok kamera. Tengok video you. Okay, sekejap. Amsyah Mifzal ada. Haris Anaki?
Yes.
Haris Anaki? Mana? Let me see. Mana Haris Anaki?
Saya.
Oh, tak turn on camera lah tadi. Tak nampak. Okay, Haris Anaki here. Noh Daniel. Noh Daniel. Saya rasa mesti nampak Noh tadi. Ada Noh ke tidak? Where is Noh? Nur dah hilang ke? Nur, Daniel? Oh, tak ada. Adriana? Adriana? Are you there, Nur Adriana? Tak ada. Nur Al-Huda?
Yes.
Good. Khalif Kaiser?
Yes.
Good. Raihan Sumaya?
Yes.
Good. Rashad Hidayat? Rashad Hidayat, are you there?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Ulfa Hana? Oh, Ulfa tadi ni. Ulfa, are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wan Muhammad Syahir?
Yes.
Zara Alisa? Is there Zara Alisa? Do you know who is Zara Alisa? You kenal tak? Ke student baru? Student baru Zara Alisa? Saya tak kenal pun. You kenal ke? Tak kenal?
Teacher tak kenal Zara.
Zara Alisa? Yang mana ya? Forget lah.
Azim.
Zara Alisa.
Zara Alisa, Zara Alisa.
Laila Pusarin.
Tahun lepas kelas apa ya? What kelas is she?
Lepas dia kelas
For
autism.
Oh, yang putih-putih tu
kawan Arisa.
Okay. I remember now. So student baru. Okay, so confirm ya, Muaz Zarif tak ada and also Arfan, okay? Zara Alisa, so 3 student tak ada.
Zara tak masuk.
Tak masuk langsung. Okay. Sebelum ni Muaz Zarif ada masuk kelas tak? Before this? Ada?
Ada.
Ada.
Sebelum ni ada. Ni tak ada. Arfan? Sebelum ni ada? Zarfan?
Ada.
Ada. Okay. Tak apa. Okay, because we already take the attendance. Okay, so please remember, okay, start next week, so we become more strict. Okay, make sure once you come to the class, terus open camera. Kalau andai kata kamera you ada problem, please tell me. If you have a mic problem, also tell me. Check with me lah, because kalau you cakap je, cakap tak boleh lah kalau mic kan. Okay. Chat with me, cakap kalau anda kata ada problem apa-apa. If you want to go anywhere, example, if you want to go to the toilet, okay, please chat with me or you can tell me, teacher, may I go to the toilet? Okay, so let me know, jangan hilang macam tu sahaja, because nanti teacher, still remember Stino, if you not stay in 45 minutes, we will consider that you tak masuk kelas. Okay. Teacher akan tengok semula because teacher record video. Okay, kita akan tengok siapa yang tak cukup 45 minutes. We will not consider as you present in the class lah. Okay, so make sure that one. Okay, don't forget to have your lunch first before class. Nanti barulah nak makan waktu time teacher. Okay, and then I think that's all lah. Okay, so any question before we end our class, our session?
No.
No. Okay, kalau you ada kawan yang tak masuk kelas, please remind to come to the class lah. Okay, melainkan dia ada cakap lah dia ada problem. Okay. Alright, so if no question, okay, so insyaAllah we gonna start betul-betul belajar kita next week. Okay, so be ready lah. Okay. Be ready to the next class. Okay. So, ketua kelas, mana ketua kelas? Syah, what should we do to end the class, Syah?
Baca tasbih kifarah dan surah Al-As.
Okay, so we end our class with tasbih kifarah. If no question, we end our class with tasbih kifarah and surah Al-As. Cepat lead, Syah.
Ya Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay.
Subhanakallah.
Allahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal 'asr innal insana lafi khusr إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر آمين.
Okay, see you next week. Thank you, Shah. Thank you the others too.
Syahid.